how to change who can reply on Twitter. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change who can reply on Twitter. First thing I'm gonna do is go to Twitter and now go here and click here on your profile, and then select any tweet you want and click these 3 points here, and then click here change who can reply, and then select anything you want, like only you or people you follow, and like let's select this one, only you. And as you see, now only me I can reply on this post. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.